Alright, I've got all the screws installed. Next thing you want to do is I'm going to go ahead and snap your tailrotor drive rod onto the control arm. Alright, now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and install the vertical fin. Pretty simple. Just go ahead and slide it on, fit the screws in the holes and tighten it down. I'm sure you guys have already figured out most of this. Alright, now rotor blades, tail rotor blades. When you install these, they are leading edge controlled. So if you want to look at it, just look where the ball side is, or the link that's controlled by the slider. That portion is where the leading edge of the tail blade will go. And you just go ahead and slide it into the hole. And put your screw on in there. And you tighten your screw down. Now, the other way of trying to figure out which way your tail rotor blades go on is that if you spin the main rotor system, alright, you want to tighten it down, not enough where these blades won't, it's like your main rotor blades, you want these to be able to move kind of freely. Okay, this right here is probably too loose. Kind of tightening the screw here backwards. A little tough for me. There we go. That's a little firm right there, but it still can move freely in case you do contact something that it can give a little bit and pop back out with some trickle force. But another thing to do, if you take your main rotor system, you turn the blades should rotate up into the main, or up into the downwash of the main rotor system. Or if you look at it now, it's spinning counterclockwise. But as long as you spin your main blades and you see the leading edge go up into the main rotor and away from it, versus it coming at it. Alright, well, that pretty much finishes up tail casing and tail rotor. It's really nothing major about it. Just, make sure you check everything out before you go on a flight. Make sure all your linkages are in and nothing's loose. And these ball links seem to wear out. Not these ones particularly, but some of the ball links and the the control surfaces, they seem to wear out and they'll pop off easily. And you don't want that to happen during flight. And you lose tail rotor effectiveness, and you're just going to be doing the downward spiral. Just keep a good maintenance of your tail rotor. Lube the shaft with, there's multiple things. You can use dry film lubricant, graphite. I used some, I guess I saw it in a magazine, but it's like a turtle wax or mother's or car wax. That works. I'm using differential lube for an RC car. That works just the same. It's good to keep that lubricated, because that slider on there has to move pretty freely. If it gets bound up any, it'll transfer to your tail rotor servo, which will heat that up and probably burn that out. So you want this to be able to move quite freely. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed and hope I helped you out. Thanks.